afternoon, everyone. I hope you're all having a blessed day. I want to welcome you to my channel, Dollars Make Sense. And on this channel, you're going to get videos that teach you how to make money online. So, welcome everybody. I would like for you to like this video, share it, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you can get notified whenever I upload a video. And as a thank you to you guys for watching my videos and subscribing, I'm going to be giving each of you a free gift at the end of the video. Okay, so if you stay to the end of the video, you'll find out what that free gift is. Okay, so today we're going to talk about an app called Big Token. Okay, so as you guys can see, I've been working the app. Okay, so on here we have sponsored surveys, you have big rewards. You guys can upload things. You can upload a photo of yourself wearing gear from your favorite sports team. You can earn points by taking a photo of your morning tea. But this is how you mainly earn the points, okay? You answer questions. All you do here is answer the questions and you guys get the points, okay? And they load questions consistent. Looks like they load questions. You will never go without questions, okay? So, all you guys will do is answer questions. You scroll down here to where you see the check mark. Do you shop at Champ Sports? No, is to answer the question. Every time you answer the question, your balance goes higher, okay? I'm just sitting here answering the questions, and it looks like they consistently load questions because when I came on here this morning and did this, I thought I was going to run out of questions. And all you do is answer the question. And questions will be loaded. See, they load question after question. You can come in here and answer the questions as you feel, you need to. Do you register? Okay, I'll say yes to that. So what I'll do over here is show you guys this, okay? You can invite your friends. This is how you're mainly going to earn on this app, by inviting friends, okay? When you guys sign up with this app, you guys will enter this referral code here, and you will get points for entering that, okay? So if you guys are interested in this app, I highly recommend that you come on here. So I'm going to show you guys this. It says you must meet the following conditions to redeem your points, okay? You joined Big Token at least 30 days ago, okay? I joined November 30th, 2019. It says you have not redeemed points in the last month. You have a minimum of 1,700 points or 17 US dollars. You have to have a minimum of 2,100 points, which is going to be equivalent to $21 in order to cash out, and you have no pending transactions. That's a good thing. So it says I joined Big Token at least 30 days ago. It's still showing there's a red X right here. So when it says 5 days left, that means it's going to show that I've joined it at least 30 days ago, okay? I don't have a minimum of $21 to cash out yet, or 2,100 points yet. Okay, so right here I only have 184.70 points. Okay, so once you get to, and you can currently only redeem 25% of your total points. Okay, so once you meet the criteria, you guys can cash out. I know it sounds like, okay, what the heck, but that's what you have to do in order to cash out. Okay? Keep coming here, regularly answering questions, and you'll be good. Just come in here and answer the questions. So those are all the questions right now from what I'm seeing. But if you guys are interested in, joining Big Token, I'll leave the link, my referral code in the description below. Also, since you guys have stayed to this video thus far, I'm going to leave the link to your free gift in the description below. If you guys are interested in what that free gift is, just click on the link to find out, and basically it. So if you're interested, I'm going to leave the link to your free gift below. If you want to know what that gift is, you need to click on the link to find out, and it will say click here for your free gift in the description. I will leave that below if you guys are interested in finding out what your free gift is. And this is absolutely free. You don't have to pay anything. So you guys, if you want to know what that free gift is, just click on the link and go there, and you'll find out what it is. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to like this video, share it, and hit the notification bell so you guys can get notified when I upload a video. Take care.